to make LinkedIn banner on PicsArt. Hello and welcome to Wonder Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video how we can make LinkedIn banner using LinkedIn banner maker on PicsArt. For that you'll have to open any browser on your device and at the search bar type PicsArt.com. Press enter to reach the website of the PicsArt. Once you reach here, make sure you have logged into your account. On this interface you will see a magnifying glass just ahead of your profile picture at the top. Click on that search icon and you will reach to this page where at the top you will find various designing tools and options. Hover your cursor to that design option and below you will find the maker templates. From that you will have to choose LinkedIn banner maker, which is located under social media headings just below the Twitter header maker. Click on it and you will be taken to this page. Here click on that create a LinkedIn banner option at the lower bottom. You are ready to enter the editing space. Once you reach to this page, here make sure you have choose templates option from the left sidebar. Then you'll find various template options for your LinkedIn banner at the left side of the screen. Scroll down and find the one that catches your eye. Once you find the one you are looking for, double click on it to bring it to your canvas. Now from here you can customize it as per your preference. At the right side you will find various elements that are included in this template. Simply by clicking on them you can edit them. So in this way you can make a LinkedIn banner on PicsArt. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.